Hello, today I have got one of the coolest products to show to y'all. Now these are trending like real big all over the internet. I seen them. I started seeing them probably about 6 months ago. I guess maybe not that long, but y'all, I was so excited to get a chance to show this to y'all. So, it comes in a velvet drawstring bag. Okay, y'all want to see what this is? Look, oh my gosh. This is called a steel tongue drum. Okay, and if you have been watching anything on the internet, you will know that these have been all over the internet. They've been all over TikTok, all over Instagram, everywhere, okay? But this is an actual drum. This is an actual instrument, okay? It comes with a music book. All right, it comes with these stickers, these different stickers, which you can see it's already got stickers on there, but it comes with more stickers. And then let me get these out. All right, here's another set of stickers. It comes with these little rubber ended mallets. This is wood, but this is rubber, okay? So it comes with those. And then it comes with this songbook, okay? So it's just really, really cool. And you can play these songs on here. All right? So there's just so many different ones. Did y'all just hear that? I accidentally hit it. So, I mean, it's like I said, this is an actual instrument. But what people have been doing is put it outside when it's raining and the raindrops hit this. And it's just the most beautiful sound. It is so pretty and relaxing. And y'all, this is just like really zen. Matter of fact, that's what it sort of is. It's like fix your chakra kind of thing. It's just real zen. So yeah, but they come in, well, with the company that sent me this one, they carry 3 different colors. They've got this one, which is called, I know I'm not going to pronounce it right, but it was like mouse. I don't even want to try because I'll probably flub it up. But they also have pink, and it also comes in navy blue. And then this color, which it starts with an M. I don't know. I'll put it in my description box because I'll put a link to this in my description box so that y'all can go check this out. But it is precision cut. This is high quality paint so that when it is outside and, in the elements, it's not going to chip the paint's not gonna wear and come off or anything. So it's really good paint. And it's like real high quality steel. It also has these rubber non-slip feet on them. It has this to where you can pull this off, drain it, clean it if you want. Then you can just put that right back on. And yeah. So this is 6 inches. This is a 6-inch drum. There are 11 notes on this. And it is C major. So That is what number 5 sounds like. I'll just go through them. That way y'all can, you know, kind of hear it. Isn't that pretty? But just imagine when it's raining and the raindrops are hitting everything all at once, and the melodies that just come right out of this. It's, y'all, it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I mean, just imagine sitting outside on your patio and there's a rain, and you know, you just sit there and you relax. You can have your coffee, whatever, and just listen. So yeah, like I said, I will put this in my description box, because y'all, this makes great gifts. Even though you want it for yourself, get one for yourself, but get one for a friend. Get one for your mom, for your sister, for your mother-in-law. They're giftable. Great gift, okay? This is not something everybody has, you know. This would be a good gift, is what I'm trying to say. So, all right, hope you enjoyed the video, and check out the link in my description box.